Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this pretty keychain, which is a beautiful way of carrying your keys in one place. It's an ideal gifting option as well. So firstly, we'll be taking this pretty blue glitter foam sheet, which is self-adhesive, and we'll also be needing a tag. This could be any tag from your shopping. So we'll place the tag on the back of the foam sheet and we'll trace around with a marker. Next, we'll cut the tag out from the foam sheet. So here we have two cutout pieces with me. So we'll be needing two pieces, one for the front and one for the back. So we're going to peel the backing off and stick the foam sheet on the front and the back of the tag. The glitter on the foam sheet makes it pretty already. So next, we are going to poke a hole on the top of the tag with a pen or a hole punch. So now we have a place to put our keyring in it. So now for my favorite part, we are going to stick these pretty flower stickers. And we'll also decorate the tag with some more pretty floral stickers and stone stickers. Isn't it looking pretty? I can't wait to start using it. I've added the keyring in the hole we had poked earlier. So here our beautiful tag is ready to be used. Thank you for watching.